Good morning. Well, records have been smashed overnight on Wall Street. Facebook and Amazon shares both soared to brand new record all-time highs, and this saw the S&P 500 close at its highest level since early March, up 1.7% overnight. The Nasdaq bettered that, rising over 2%. Optimism also high across the ocean. In Europe, their stocks rose over 1% on their economies gradually reopening. Now, on the commodity front, the oil price has lifted 5%, settling at $33.50 a barrel. Gold has gained slightly. It's now at $1,750 an ounce. Now, what to watch today? Well, Aussie shares are eyeing a lift of 0.6% at the open, which means we could rise for the fifth straight day, extending that 6-week high that we set yesterday and the day before. Now, in terms of stocks, Aristocrat Leisure, AAL, the gambling machine creator and seller, also the online casino operator, that reports half-year numbers today. Citi is expecting half-year profit of $488 million, up 16% compared to the same time last year. Results are not out yet, but what we do know is their shares are down about 20% this year, impacted by physical casinos, pubs and clubs shutting their doors, affecting Aristocrat's revenue. But digital revenue is tipped to grow 20%. Also keep in mind, in the US, 82 casinos are still open, adhering to the restrictions, so that's going to help Aristocrat. Aristocrat is also raising money, $500 million US to be exact, and heavily cutting costs. So investors could now have an opportunity to buy Aristocrat at these levels, given its market-leading position. Now, before COVID, keep in mind it traded at $37.69 yesterday. Aristocrat Leisure shares closed at $27.34. It's backed by Citi as a buyer, expecting 7% share price growth in a year. Now, what else to watch today? Well, the pre-release of manufacturing and services sector industry data is out for May, which could move markets. They're important as they give us a gauge on what's going on in the economy. Last month, manufacturing was quite dire, seeing its record bottom levels ever. The services sector saw its quickest fall as well, but I guess we're not expecting a recovery until around June with restrictions easing. Now, finishing on a local trading idea, well, yesterday we spoke about Australia's largest beef producer, Australian Agricultural Co, AAC, and their impressive results, swinging from a loss to a profit. Now, their cash flows are stronger than ever as well, in terms of cash flows being greater than outflows, and that supports share price growth. Now, Bell Potter also reviewed their results, expecting AAC to continue to do well, with weather set to normalise, also supporting their earnings growth. Now, Bell Potter has the stock as a buy with a price target of $1.40, implying 26% share price growth from yesterday's close of $1.11. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Happy trading and stay safe.